Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful animation with ripple effect at the back end of all circle shapes. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with any solid dark color. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a oval shape through center of slide holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline and then format it with two-step linear gradient. Change the stop colors to light grey and white color and also change the gradient direction. Adjust the stop positions until we get desired gradient effect. Next go to Effects option and then apply outer shadow effect. Adjust the transparency and blur values until we get desired shadow effect. Next add heading text and PNG icon onto this circle and align them properly. Now we will animate all these three elements. So let's go to Animation tab and then enable Animation pane. Holding down Ctrl key, select the circle shape, PNG icon and text field and then apply Flying animation. Increase the duration to 2 seconds and then increase the delay duration of PNG icon and text fields by 0.25 seconds each. Select all three animations, go to Effect options and then add bounce and effect of 1.3 seconds. That looks perfect. Now we will create ripple effect at the back end of this circle shape. So for that, let's go to Insert tab and then draw a oval shape holding down Shift key. Remove its outline and then change its fill color to any brighter color as shown. Go to Format Shape option and then increase the transparency by 50%. Next we will apply total of 3 animations to this circle. Let's see which are those. Go to Animation tab, select the circle shape and then apply Appear animation so that this circle will remain hidden until bigger circle animation is complete. Start it with previous and increase the delay duration by 0.75 seconds. Now again select the circle shape. This time go to Add Animation option and then apply Fade animation under Exit section. Start it with previous and increase the duration by 2 seconds. Go to Effect options and then repeat it until the end of slide. Select the circle shape again, go to Add Animation option and then apply Grow and Shrink animation. Start it with previous and then go to Effect options. Here under Size option, add the custom size of 600% and then repeat it until the end of slide. So now, if we check the animation of circle shape, this is how it looks like. Now duplicate this circle shape using Ctrl+D and then increase the delay duration by 1.25 seconds for all 3 animations. Change the fill color of the circle to any bright color of your choice. Now again duplicate this circle using Ctrl+D change its fill color, and then increase the delay duration by 1.75 seconds for all 3 animations. Now align all these 3 circles one over the other. Make sure they are perfectly aligned by aligning them to center and middle. Drag these circles at the center of big circle and then send them to back. Now let's preview the animation once. That looks perfect. Now select all shapes and move them to first position as per our design requirement. Next, create 3 more duplicates by dragging all shapes holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Next, we need to replace all these PNG icons. So let's copy and paste new PNG icons onto our slide. Now select the original PNG icon, go to Animation Painter and apply its animation to PNG icon that needs to be replaced. Delete the original PNG icon, and now we need to place this PNG icon as per our animation sequence. So for that, let's select the circle shape and find which animation gets highlighted in the animation pane. This new PNG icon animation must be placed just below this circle animation. Let's drag it up and place it between the circle and the text field animations, and remember to increase the delay duration by 0.25 seconds. Finally, drag this new PNG icon onto our second circle shape. Follow the same steps and then replace other 2 PNG icons and make sure to place them in the correct animation positions in Animation Pane. Finally, add the title text field. So here is the final preview of this beautiful animation. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.